Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2021 Model Geely Okavango Urban, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 15,000 kilometers mileage with records, first owner, casa maintained, push start, plate ending 4, keyless entry, 7-seater, electronic parking brake, auto climate control, touch screen radio, leather seats, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 768,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 191,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2019 model Hyundai Kona GLS, top of the line, 2.0-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 5,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, push-start engine, cruise control, reverse camera, central lock, original spare key, all-power, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 598,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 131,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2016 model Mitsubishi Montero Sport GT, top of the line, 2.5-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 66,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, with casa records, plate ending 3, 4-wheel drive, panoramic sunroof, leather and power seats, touchscreen display, paddle shifter, reverse camera and sensor, push start, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 968,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 229,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2017 model Toyota Fortuner G, 2.4-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 73,000 kilometers mileage, maintained by certified Toyota Dubai mechanic, plate ending 0, upgraded premium leather worth 35K, Bosch horn, reverse camera and sensor, touchscreen head unit, paddle shifter, all-terrain Bridgestone tires worth 48K, newly changed battery, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 998,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 239,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2014 model Toyota Vios E, 1.3-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 54,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, plate ending 5, thick tires, fog lamps, SRS airbag, all original, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 418,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 95,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2018 model Ford Everest Trend, 2.2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 66,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, touchscreen radio, leather seats, central locking system, thick tires, reverse sensor, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 858,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 222,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.